Hello, welcome back to my channel Gubukwaso. In this channel I talk about learning Javanese. In this video I'll be talking particularly about the registers in Javanese language and what register you should choose if you want to learn Javanese. According to Wikipedia, language register is a variety of language used for a particular purpose or in a particular communicative situation. Javanese language registers are sometimes referred to as Javanese speech levels. In Java, speaking with strangers, with friends or siblings, with older people, or with someone you should show respect means speaking in different communicative situations, and Javanese people use different registers for different situations. If you want to learn Javanese, which register should you choose to learn? You will find the answer in this video, so let's get started. According to Wikipedia, in the old division of Javanese registers or Javanese speech levels, there are 9 types of register, and in the new version of register division, there are 4 of them. If you are interested in doing a research on this field, the old division might be interesting. To me personally, the new version of register division is like a simplification of the old one. Because this video is for learners of day-to-day Javanese, it will cover the registers as mentioned in the new version, and for the sake of convenience, the 4 kinds of register will only be categorized into 2, Krama and ngoko. And which register you should choose actually depends on your situation. So now let's look briefly and more closely to these registers. Krama is used in formal communicative situation like among strangers. It's also used in lower, higher status situation, like when you talk to older people, to people you should show respect, like your boss, your teachers, etc. Ngoko is the most widely spoken register of Javanese, but it's not used among strangers. It is the register of intimate relationship like couples, friends or siblings. It is also used in higher, lower status situation, like when you talk to younger people, to your children, your subordinates, your students, etc. Now, if you are in Java and you speak Indonesian and you don't want to learn both registers at the same time, ngoko can be your choice, because you can use it to speak or practice with your Japanese friends, and to strangers or to people you should show respect, or to people you aren't sure to use ngoko, then you can use Indonesian. Now, if you are in Java and you want to learn Javanese but not both registers at the same time, and you speak no Indonesian, I suggest you to learn Krama because it's quite safe to use it with everyone. Krama has variations and so does ngoko, but I will talk about this in my separate videos. For now, let's stick to the 2 registers, Krama and ngoko. To give you some idea of Javanese registers, here are some examples of basic phrase. The words in parentheses are examples to complete a sentence, optional words or additional information. Wilujeng enjing, wilujeng enjang, sugeng enjing, sugeng enjang. Notice that wilujeng can be replaced with sugeng and enjing can be replaced with enjang. Wilujeng siang, wilujeng sonten, wilujeng dalu, wilujeng sare. Notice also that in ngoko you don't say these sentences, and if you have to, you can use the Krama sentences. Panjenengan asmanipun sinten? Kowe jenenge sapa? Nami kula John. Jenengku John. Kula saking Inggris. Aku saka Inggris. Nuwun sewu. Amit, nyuwun pangapunten, pangapurane. Inggih, yo, boten, ora, sanes, dudu. Matur nuwun, mangke rumiyin, mengko dhisik, sekedap, sedelo. Sepindah malih, sepisan meneh, kula nembe sinau basa Jawa. Aku lagi sinau basa Jawa. Kula sinau basa Krama. Aku sinau basa Krama. Basa ngoko kula dereng saged. Basa ngoko aku durung iso. Badhe tindak pundi? Arep menyang endi? Kula badhe wangsul. Aku arep mulih. Manggenipun wonten pundi? Manggone ning endi? Kula manggen wonten kutha. Aku manggon ning kutha. Yuswanipun pinten? Umure pira? Menika rahasia pangapunten. Kuwi rahasia pangapurane. Kula, aku, panjenengan, kowe, piyambakipun, dheweke. Kados pundi kabaripun? Piye kabare? Kula sae. Aku apik. Panjenengan kados pundi? Kowe piye? Kula inggih sae, matur nuwun. Aku ya apik, matur nuwun. Okay, all for now. I really hope this is useful, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for those who haven't. Matur nuwun sangat and have a nice day.